Hello everyone, today we're on the Carnival Sunshine and I'm taking you on an interior room tour. We're in room 7127, let's check it out. Alright, so this is the room. We've got it in a king configuration. You can choose to do 2 individual beds and I would assume it would go over here and over here just because there's like a little headboard thing there. Got a few different lights up top. I don't see any outlets over here by the bed though. A little vanity with a stool. And this is the only outlet here I see, and that is for the fridge. Now this fridge does a good job. There is some ice right on, oh my goodness, it's not gonna open, right on top. It's already like iced over, so this is definitely doing a good job. If you do go on a cruise, make sure if you've got anything that's sensitive to temperature like medicines that you make sure it's a fridge and not a chiller, and be sure to ask your stateroom steward for ice if you need it. Storage there, little TV. And some of you have asked about the TV entertainment. So it always starts out here with a muster drill, and if we go to a different channel, it's just got a few different channels that Carnival has rights to. A lot of them are the cruise specific things. So you've got like Carnival Adventures talking about different cruise tours and things like that. And then you've got like Travel Channel and a few other like Food Channel and stuff like that. So that's that. Bottles of water, they are for purchase, $4.75 each. Unless you are gold or higher, then you get one for free. The phone. And here are the outlets, guys. That's it in the room. That's all I see. So it's that hair dryer and the laundry bags. More stowage here. The closets. You can always ask for more hangers, so don't be afraid to do that if you need more hangers. And it's a little accordion door with a safe. Life jackets, and the bathroom. Pretty standard bathroom. You zoom out so you guys can see it better. Not a lot of stowage here, but it's there. And then you've got these here. There is an outlet up here for shavers. And oh my gosh, this is actually a rather large shower for a cruise bathroom. That's quite large. And of course it comes with the clothesline, so if you're have a wet swimsuit, you can hang that up. And it only has the shower gel and the shampoo, no conditioners, so make sure you plan accordingly if you need some stuff on top of that. All right, that's the room, everyone. We are on an 8-day sailing and we're doing a back-to-back, so it's actually 2 8 days. Hello, Devin.
Hi.
Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps out my channel a lot. Certainly appreciate you all watching. Bye-bye.